Benny the Bear's Big Educational Adventure. Good morning, forest. Sunny forest clearing, dew on leaves, soft morning light, little brown bear cub stretching on cozy den floor. Sunny forest clearing, dew on leaves, soft morning light, little brown bear cub stretching on cozy den floor. The sun rises over the forest. Birds chirp, leaves rustle, and Benny wakes up. Yawn, stretch, sniff, sniff. Bears have an excellent sense of smell, even better than dogs. Berry and honey hunt. Benny climbing a tree to reach a honeycomb, bees flying nearby. Benny spots berries in a honeycomb. Yum! Bears eat berries, nuts, honey, and sometimes fish. Oops! He slips and lands in a bush. Benny goes to the river. Splash! Bears are excellent swimmers and catch fish like salmon. Snap! The fish swims away. Bears are patient hunters. Nutty adventures. Benny finds acorns and nuts. Bears eat lots of nuts in autumn to store fat for winter hibernation. Yum! Eating many foods keeps bears healthy and strong. Forest friends. Benny meets Squeaky the squirrel. Hi, Benny! They hop over logs and chase butterflies. Bears are usually gentle with smaller animals and share the ecosystem. Big Bear climb. Benny climbs a hill. Boom! He tumbles down like a furry ball. Bears are great climbers, and exercise keeps them strong. Nap and hibernation. Benny lies down to rest. Bears hibernate in winter, living off stored fat. Even strong bears need naps after eating lots of food. Forest goodnight. Sunset over forest. Stars appearing. Benny curling up in den. The sun sets. Benny curls up, dreaming of honey, fish, berries, and tomorrow's adventures. Bears eat berries, nuts, honey, and fish. Climb trees, swim, and hibernate. Good night, forest. Good night, friends.
Good morning, forest, rise and shine. Benny Bear is feeling fine. Stretch your paws, wiggle your toes. Time to see what the forest knows. Yum, yum, munch, munch. Benny Bear loves lunch. Boing, boing, splash, splash. Forest friends join the dash. Roll and tumble, climb and play. Benny Bear is happy today. Yum, yum, munch, munch. Benny Bear loves lunch. Boing, boing, splash, splash. Forest friends join the dash. Roll and tumble, climb and play. Benny Bear is happy today. Climb the hill, then roll down low. Wave at squirrels, say hello. Catch a fish or sniff a